Are you trying to know about what is a power inverter? If yes, you have come to the right place. Today I'm going to share you power inverter's 6 question with answer. So please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Question number 1. What is a power inverter? By converting direct current to alternating current, a power inverter. Most domestic gadgets, on the other hand, use AC, whereas the battery in your car uses DC to power its electrical component. By converting it into usable electricity, the power inverter enables you to run these items off of the power from your car. In addition to drawing power from automobile batteries, power inverters are frequently used for off-grid living. Larger power inverters are connected to battery banks and solar grids to power essential items. Question number 2. Why do I need a power inverter? Your car's battery powers a single circuit with current that flows in a single direction. We call it direct current because of this. In contrast, alternating current offers greater power than DC typically does. A power inverter is necessary if you intend to use electronics in your car, truck, or recreational vehicle, such as DVD players, video game consoles, laptop computers, or other tools or appliances. Question number 3. What kind of power inverter do I use? A range of sizes are offered for power inverters. 1000 watt, 3000 watt, and 5000 watt models are typical variations. For its flexibility, the 3000 watt option appeals to a lot of people. You can run common small appliances off of this inverter. More watts might be needed to meet greater demands. Occasionally, power converters are compact enough to fit into a cigarette lighter. Additionally, there are gadgets that are large enough to need their own room in the trunk until they are needed. Pure sine wave and modified sine wave options are also available for power inverters. When compared to modified sine waves, pure sine waves can offer higher current fidelity, but frequently at a higher cost. While modified sine wave inverters are frequently more economical and have lower efficiency, they may not be able to power many types of devices, including TVs. Question number 4. How do I use a power inverter? Using a power inverter looks very depending on the model you have and what you plan to use it for. You can possibly plug the power inverter into your car's cigarette lighter for electrical loads up to 200 watts. These types of devices are frequently fueled by portable computers, teeny power tools, most miniature appliances, 13 inches tall TVs. The power inverter might need to be linked directly to your battery if you require more power, or if you need it for several things at once. To ensure safe operation, the inverter should be attached directly to the battery if you want to power a load that consumes more than 200 watts. Question number 5. Do power inverters drain car batteries? Of course, the extended response is trickier. If the battery is fully charged and in good condition, it could be able to utilize a 400 watt power converter without starting the car for about an hour before the battery is completely exhausted. You need to do a little arithmetic to see how long the battery can endure with any specific power inverter. To determine how many amps the inverter draws, divide the 400 watts being utilized by the battery's voltage. It takes 33.33 amps to convert 400 watts to 12 volts. However, the efficiency at which inverters convert power is only about 90%. Actually drawing 37 amps is the inverter. Car batteries typically have a backup capacity of 80 minutes. The battery will be entirely discharged if the 400W inverter draws 37 amps in roughly 54 minutes or so. In order to preserve battery charge when utilizing a power inverter, it is a good idea to start the car's motor every 30 minutes. Question number 6. What features does my inverter need? What you need for your inverter depends on what you plan on using it for, but several typical features can make utilizing your gadgets more convenient. There are several power inverter types with multiple 120 VAC household outlets, which come in handy for simultaneously powering several gadgets. A USB port is another beneficial component of power inverters. This enables you to use the power inverter to charge your smartphone or other gadgets. Look for a power converter that enables you to quickly connect or clamp to your car's batteries if you have heavy-duty requirements, such as using multiple pieces of equipment or large power tools. High-speed fans to keep the device cool. Thermal protection and surge protection are common safety features to take into account when choosing your power converter. You can also protect your battery and your devices by upgrading the quality of life, such as installing an LED indicator or a low battery alert.
I have nothing further to add. I make useful videos every day, so kindly become a channel subscriber. Because of this, I would appreciate it if you did. Read my description if you want to get additional information about the item's price. Please leave a comment if you encounter any difficulties. Keep up with our cutting-edge videos because it will simplify your life considerably.